third quarter. Championship game 3 versus USA, Golden Eagles, and IDC Medics. It's a do or die game. Score 40-38. 2-point lead by San Agustin. Hermoino, basket and one for Erjon Hermoino. No good. 42-38. Apat ang abanse sang USA. Magarce against Mondia. Pass to Nahine. Nahine by against Mardocchio. To Tono. To Malan. Turnover. Mardocchio to Brasileño. To De Guzman. Nasa kay Brasileño. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Mardocchio to Hermoino. Wala pa rin. Hermoino. No good. Nakuha pa rin sa USA. Basket by Brasileño. 44-38. Anim ang abanse sa San Agustin. Magarce to Nahine. Fires a jumper, but there's a foul. Basket by Nahine. Second throw. Basket is good. Last throw. 3 out of 3 by Nahine. 44-41. Brasileño gains Jaime. Brasileño pumasok, no good. Rebound by Malan, but there's a loose ball foul. Magarce against Mondia. Pass to Tono. Magarce for 3, short. No good. Rebound by De Guzman. To Mardocchio. Still, but there's a loose ball foul by Mardocchio. Frank Tono to Magarce. Magarce against Guzman to Jaime. It's a loose ball. Dulasang bola. Mondia to Hermoino. Sulaybar. Layup is good by JM Sulaybar. 46-41. 4-5 ang lamang ng USA. Nahine. To Tono, there's a foul. Same ball. Perez against Mondia. Tono to Jaime. Magarce, Perez. Jaime. That's a shot clock violation. Brasileño to Mondia. Guzman. Sulaybar. To Magarce. To Perez. To Jaime. Foul by JM Sulaybar. First throw. Basket is good. Last throw. No good. Rebound by Adrian De Guzman to Brasileño. Hermoino for 2. 47-42. Turnover for San Agustin. PJ Brasileño against Guzman to Hermohino. Block. Nakuha ni Servano. Floater is good by Kimray Servano. 48-44. Brasileño against Tabella. Guzman to Laibar. Blocked. Topas, no good. Rebound by Abella. To the Ligas, Agaw. To Brasileño. Topas. No good. San Agustin Gapon and De Guzman to Brasileño. Back to De Guzman. Floater, no good. Rebound by Servano. Servano against Solaybar. Magka-teammate dati. No good. Rebound by Solaybar. Still Solaybar. Back pass. And that's out of bounds. Turnover. Bola na IDC. Tono against Brasileño. Tono, no good. Rebound by Jaime. Bad pass again. Balik sa San Agustin ang bola. Mondia. Dan Mondia against Magarce. Nasa kay Hermohino. Sionosa to Brasileño. PJ to Sionosa. There's a foul. First throw by John Patrick Sionosa. No good. 3 minutes 29 seconds remaining. Last throw by Patrick Sionosa. No good. 0 out of 2. Doliguez for the rebound to Malan. Nasa kay Tono. Servano. Floater. No good. Steal by Tupas. Recovered by Brasileño. Against Tono. Sionosa to Tupas. Tupas, blocked. Nakuha ni Malan. To Tono. Basket is good by Frank Tono. 49-46. Rebound. There's a timeout by referee. Two minutes 37 seconds remaining. Rodriguez. Perez. 3 points by Gian Nahine. It's a tied ball game, 49 all, and the crowd goes wild. Mondia. to De Guzman. De Guzman is good. 51-49. Perez against Mondia. 9 seconds. Shot clock to Duliges. Basket by Denmark. Duliges. Tablang laban. 4:51 all. Mondia against Perez. Mondia. Steal by Servano. Block. Follow up. Basket and one by Kimray Servano. Bonus shot for Kimray. 3-point play by Kimray Servano. 54-51. Change favor to IDC. 1 minute remaining in the third quarter. Brasileño to De Guzman. To Hermohino. De Guzman. Nasa kay Mardocchio. There's a foul. Pushing foul. No good. Last throw. 1 out of 2 by PJ Brasileño. Servano. Tumalan jumper. No good. Rebound by Hermohino. 28 seconds. Sulaybar. Sulaybar. Mardocchio. No good. Wala pa rin. Buambuco. There's an offensive foul against Sulaybar. 4 seconds left. End of the third quarter. Score 54-52. 2-point lead by the Medics. IDC Medics.